First round in the playoffs. Ooh, Oswald with a nice flip. The cannon. Ooh, to the nice turnover. De La Cruz. Ooh, cannon with a nice steal. Ooh. Good job, no basket. STS bro. Ashwell for 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 10 to 3. Midona. Ooh, what a shake. 3-point, no basket. Fast break to the cannon. MVP, no good. Harden, what a nice floater. Easy basket by number 13. AKA James Harden. De La Cruz. Pasuot. Turnover. What a game right now. FAST against STS. Midona. Will he answer it? Midona, no good basket. To Oswald. Ooh, behind the back. Ooh, what a nice layup by Mr. Oswald. All-star player, superstar team. Fresh cut by number 53. Here we go. Harden looking for his teammates. Oh, just like James Harden. What a nice sidestep. To Pasuot. What a very nice big foul by Ashwell. Here we go. Pasuot with two shots. First shot, no basket. 4-0 in favor of Team Fast. Second shot, no good. I've been scared. 4-1. Mendoza to the cannon. To the brother. Mendoza, cannon short. Ooh, no good again. Mendoza, SES with the comeback. Here we go. Pasuot, wanna go? Yes, sir. 4-3 now in favor of Team FAST. And let Johannes Mendoza make a difference in this game. What a fake, what a shot. No good. Rebound by number 3. De La Cruz, the young star, guarding. Ooh. Okay. Oh, what a wow! Block. He said, no good. Need more practice, my boy. Another one. No foul. Here we go. Harden, floater. Short. Mobile legend player, Arvin De La Cruz, one of the top-notch players in the Bay Area. Number 3, easy shot, no bounce. Tip, STS ball. Rodona, I'm sorry. To De La Cruz. Number 1, De La Cruz, long. Mendoza, looking for his teammates. Will they pass it to the cannon? Chill. Pasok on. Rodona. Yeah. 6 minutes remaining, but you know we only have 4 points on our FAST team. Mendoza looking for his teammate to Oswald. Oswald. Ooh! What a nice move by Oswald. Another speed move to Mendoza. To Hannes. Steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Another no good shot. Man, I think there's something wrong with our wing this time. Pasok on. Turnover. Yes, sir. Alright. Quiet game here. Ooh, nice tip. De La Cruz with the steal. Easy by that steal. Oh, another steal by Mr. Johannes. I think he's making a difference right now. Mendoza to Harden. Harden, easy 2 points, just like him. He likes to walk. Yeah. Team Puenica won. Will Team Puenica play the Team Shockers in our final game? Will Gino play on the last game? It's the battle of pride. Here we go, paso on. 3 points, no good. Golden shot, Oswald with a power move. Power put back by Mr. Oswald. Mendoza with a steal. Ooh, what a head fake. Rodona with a rebound. To Pasuot. Pasuot, another miss. I think there's something wrong with that ring. Oswald, feeling bucket? No. Mendoza, 3 seconds. Substitution. 2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. UGC is coming in. Number 14, the cannon out. Harden out. Rodona. Will they come back? 10-3. Here we go. Paso on. No good. Mendoza with the rebound, looking for his teammates. Number 7 to Oswald, fake. Floater, yes sir. What a nice floater by the superstar, Oswald. Our score, Mr. G, 12-3. Sir, how can I help you, sir? Sub it in. Just tap the table, please. Thank you, sir. De La Cruz. Rodona. Ooh, what a bad pass. Mendoza with another steal. Looking to Oswald. Oswald for 3 points. No basket. Rebound again by the superstar Mendoza. Who's this guy? Ooh, another foul rebound. Hook shot, no good. Rebound by Rodona. Double team, De La Cruz. 2-on-3. 2-on-3 situation. Foul. Foul number 6. I'm sorry, 14. Second remaining. First shot, sub it in. Sub it in. Number 63 in. 20-second remaining. Last shot. Johannes Mendoza out. 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. No basket, no cap. De La Cruz, 2 shots. No good. Another one, no good. He said, Alright, which ball? STS ball. Here's a pasok. Finish so up. Here we go. Power move, but no good. What a foul. Foul by number what? 63. Foul number 63. 2 shots. 2 shots, Mr. Pasok. What a quiet game right now in our second game. STS against FAST. Ito na bola. Second shot is good. Here we go, 12-5. Oswald. Oh, what a bad shot. Nice game by Mr. Pasok. To De La Cruz, the young superstar. Rodona, the veteran. To the young star. Rodona for 3. Nothing but net. I think they broke that net, man. Our score 12-8. What a quiet game. 12-8 only in second quarter. What a fake. Oh! I see your heart, my brother. Three shot for number 0 for making that basket. The Shermanator. Oh, I like that nickname. Rodona. De La Cruz. Oh! De La Cruz! Yes, and 1 for Mr. Arvin De La Cruz. Here we go. And 1 opportunity for Mr. De La Cruz, the young star. Oh, another miss. 3 missed by Mr. De La Cruz. Mendoza to Oswald. There we go, Oswald. Oswald with the layup, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Looking for his teammate. Fast break. Ooh. Yeah, another easy 2 by De La Cruz. 14-12 now. They came back. With Oswald make a difference. Ooh, yes sir. And 1 opportunity right here. Foul number 8, Mr. Pasok. 2 shots for Oswald. Substitution. And then 2 saucy out. Rodona. Man-to-man defense by the team at FAST. De La Cruz to Rodona. Back to De La Cruz. Looking for a Baban. Looking for a Baban. Another shot. No basket. Stay. STS ball. Rodona. Oh, wait. Nice shot. Nice pass. Floater. No basket. 5-on-2. 5-on-2. That's what he said. Oswald. From what an easy shot by Mr. Oswald. Foul! Foul number 0, white. Sherman Ball. How are you, my friend? Come over here, please. Here we go. What's up, brother? What would you say in our game? What would you say in the first game earlier? Have you seen the first game? What's your thoughts about that? Coming in. Sorry about that. Second shot is good. 17-14 now. UGC number 14. The Harden, another teardrop. Oh man, he really like that move, man. 19-14 now. In favor of team Fast. Rodona with the answer. Ooh, what a nice bounce by Mr. Rodona. 1916. Four minutes remaining in our second quarter. Ooh, what a steal by De La Cruz. Foul by number 14, UGC. Substitution, Mendoza in, UGC out. All right, Rodona. Get the ball. Ababad looking for the pass. Ababad for 3 points. Ooh, he felt that really quick. 3-pointer by Mr. Ababad. Our score is 19-19. SCS with the comeback. Picano with the answer. Another miss. Maharaj Harden. Oh, no good. Pastor on rebound. I think it's a tight game. Here we go, Rodona. The cannon with the nice defense. De La Cruz. No good. Maharaj for rebound. Oh, what a turnover right there. That should have been easy, 2 points. Substitution, out 63. Juicy Jomar in. Time out. All right. Fastball. Here we go. Mendoza. Oh, no good passer. Take it easy, don't get technical foul. Who's foul number 1? De La Cruz? No, I'm just asking how are you, sir? Foul number 13, first person foul. Maharaj. Shermanator, are you gonna come in? Alright. Substitution. 19-20 now in favor of Team STS. Change favor. Paso out with another shot. Second shot. Rebound by Mendoza. Sosi. The cannon. Ooh, the cannon. The cannon. Another miss. Mendoza with the foul rebound again. 1-2. He threw that shit away. Oh, I put back with the cannon. You got it. All right. 21, 22nd. 45 seconds remaining now. Shot. Oh, in and out by Mr. Rodona. Mendoza. Johannes Mendoza. To the cannon. Oh, another miss. Shermanator. 20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 23-20 now. We're doing it. Ababan for the answer. Ooh, almost there. Oswald. Ooh, what a wrong move by Mr. Oswald, and he missed. The cannon, another miss. Mendoza, no good with the rebound again. Traveling violation, no basket. It's a close game. Team fast with the full court trap. Ooh, foul the cannon. Foul number 23. Substitution, Maharaj in. Terminator out. Here we go. Pass it on. Stay. De La Cruz, no good. Maharaj, will he shoot the 3 points? I know he did. Oh, another miss. What a cold start in our third quarter. Ababat for the answer. Another cold start. Maharaj, aka James Harden. Ooh, what an easy 2 by Maharaj. Here we go, Redondo. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Oh, what a hack. Pass it on. Foul. Mendoza, number 7. Two shot by Mr. Pasomana. Miss Mendoza for a rebound. Here we go, Maharaj. Fast break. Oh, he did 3-pointer. No good. Also for a rebound. Big boom. The cannon. No good again. Holding. Foul number 13. Maharaj. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 25-21 now. 6 minutes, 45 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Oh yeah, by the way, how does it feel about losing that player? Disappointing. Foul number 3. Redondo. Is there anything you want to say to your brother by having his career high 30 points on his last game this season?
Nope.
Yay!
Oh, nice shot by Mendoza, number 7. That's good. Mendoza, no good. De La Cruz with the fast break. Mendoza hunting him. Oh, what a tough shot by Mr. Marvin Dillon. It was 26-23 in favor of Team Fast. 3-point lead. Oswald. What a nice team by Mr. De La Cruz, fouled by Oswald. That's an all-star attitude right there by Oswald and Mr. De La Cruz. Yeah, Mr. Andaya missed an all-star, but you know, man, that was a nice all-star game. De La Cruz with the answer. What a save! Cannon for this. Oh, Oswald! Yes, sir. Listen to my Mr. Oswald, aka Big Bro. Redondo, oh! Foul, the cannon. Foul number 23, the cannon. That's on him. Timeout! He reacted really quick, that's why Mr. DeJoss gave the technical. First shot, no good. Second shot, another good, another no good. See, that was a great technical foul then because of Mr. Redondo. He missed that opportunity, Oswald. Okay, only one more. Alright. 30-25, 1 minute remaining. Here we go, Oswald. Oswald, easy. Oh, what a nice lap by Mr. Oswald. 32-25, 45 seconds remaining. Ababad. Oh. Pasuot. No good. Oswald, fast break, looking for his teammates. Oh, 1-on-1. Yes, sir. 34-25. Line. Violation. 25 seconds remaining. Hurry up, guys. You guys are running. The time is running. 34-25. 15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball in. 9-point lead. Redondo. Ababad. Redondo. Double team. Pasuot. No basket. Oh, what was that? Oswald. No good again. Number 16. Another miss. Another one. De La Cruz. Another miss. Oh, miss. What a close start again. Fourth quarter. Oh, Mendoza with the answer. 36-25, 11-point lead. Pasuot. Shoot on the floor, no basket. Foul number 0. Second personal foul, first team foul. Here we go, De La Cruz. Ooh. Foul. 53. 63. Mr. Doning. 2 shots. What a cold start again in the fourth quarter. What a low scoring game. Another miss. I think this guy, if you guys bet another, you guys have the chance to win. 90% chance of winning. 10-point lead now. Mendoza. Here we go. Shermanator, no good. De La Cruz, 63. Mendoza for 3-point. Sean, I remember Sean Martin was, shooting that 3-pointer right now. we go. Ababag. Radona. Radona. Oh, what a nice shot. With number 3, Radona. 3 points by Team Fast. Radona, De La Cruz, tira, no good. Oh, 14 with the third personal foul. Look at that, hustling. Oh, no basket. De La Cruz again. 2-on-1. What a disappointing shot by Mr. De La Cruz. Substitution. 11-point lead by Team Fast. Here we go. Migra, block. Here we go. Gusto pasuot. STS ball. Called by referee Didios. Terminator, please do that again. I want to see that. Oh, there we go. Who's foul? No foul. Oh, Pasol, the double team. 3-14. Kick ball, STS. Man, what a nice triple team down there by Team Fast. Man, 2 more time on left. Time out. There you go. Well done. Pasol, the triple team. Another one with Pasol. Foul. Foul number 3. Maharaj, are you coming in? Coming in, please. Maharaj, come in. Chevrolet out. Here we go. First shot was good. Second shot is good again. 39-30. The cannon is coming in. Here you go. Aso, Migra. To Maharaj, aka Harden, another miss. Radona, all the way, another miss. What a cool start, man. It's been 6 minutes remaining. Oh, what a nice play, another miss again. This game is a low scoring game, right, Mr. Nabi? Double team, double foul by Oswald. Substitution, the cannon in. Migra out. Third personal foul. Oswald. No bonus. No bonus. Not yet. That was earlier. This is a different. Go 4 more right now. The time is running, please. There we go. Radona. Will they come back? 3 minutes remaining. Will they come back? De La Cruz with the answer. Another miss. What a bad shot right there. Where's this guy? Oh, 35 to Mendoza. The cannon. Woo! Finally, he made one. What a clutch shot. Yes, sir. 42-42. 42-42, I'm sorry. 10-point lead. The cannon. Come back. Oh, no good. Rebound again by cannon. 35, no good. Another miss. Another miss. What a defense by the Team STS. Here we go. To De La Cruz. Shot now. Air ball. Fast break. Foul. Jump ball. SDS, I think it's substitution. Next possession will be at Team SDS. Johannes Mendoza. Oh! What a steal by De La Cruz. Foul by Mendoza again. 5 team fouls. 2 minutes remaining. Pasok on. 8-point lead now. 8-point lead. There you go. Shot clock is running. Shot clock is running. 15 seconds shot clock. Mendoza, jump shot. No good. Reset shot clock. 1 minute, 40 seconds remaining. Maharaj, no basket. SDS ball. 1 minute, 31 seconds remaining. 42-34. Oh, De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pushing foul by number 35. Bimbi. 16 foul. 1 more to get a penalty shot. Pasok on. Pasok on. Yes, sir. Foul. 7. That's 2 shots already. Will you guys please close the door? It's kind of cold. Mr. Pasok up. Will they come back? 42-34. Whoa, what a nice cut shot right there. 42-35 now. Oh, here we go, 6-point lead. 1 minute, 21 seconds remaining with 24 seconds shot clock. Bimbi. Layup, no good. Rebound by Pasok. There you go, 1-1 situation. 1-1, Pasok. Oh, no good. What a clutch shot. What a miss. 59 seconds remaining. Maharaj to us, to Mendoza. Back to Maharaj. 50 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 4, 7, 6, 5. Okay, reset. Here we go. We have Pasok on. Oh! What a miss by Mr. Pasok on. Time out. Maharaj. Foul. Another one. 13 foul. The counter. Here we go. Running the time. Ooh, foul right there. 14 foul. 3 more. Redondo. Graduate. Redondo graduate. Out. Graduate. Big personal foul, Redondo. Big personal foul. There we go. Oh, Arvin De La Cruz with another steal. 19 seconds. 3-point. Oh! 3-point lead now. 6. You guys need 3 more fouls in order for you guys to have a penalty. Foul. Ababan. 15 foul. 3rd personal foul by Mr. Ababan. Here we go. Oswald, another foul. There you go, foul. 16 foul, forward, winding up Ababan. Here we go. Here we go. Bimbi to Oswald. To Cannon. Maharaj. 2 point. Timeout. 6.9 seconds remaining. 44-39. 1-7. Last Last shot. 6.9. It's 9 minutes, don't worry about it. 44-39, 5-point lead. Who will take the 3-point shot? Will it be Pasuot? Will it be Ababa? Pasuot.